Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shion Digital. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on a platform. And even if you're new on this channel, you have not subscribed or you don't know me, my name is Shion Digital, and you have not subscribed, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell to know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on a particular website. If you're not new, if you're not new on this channel, I've done a video on a website called Naira Worker before, where you can just follow people on Instagram, like people's posts on Facebook, subscribe to people's channel, and you will get paid for that. Now you're getting paid in Naira, but this one I'm gonna be showing you in this one while you'll be doing such work again, and you'll be getting paid in dollars. Okay, let's make money in dollar this time around. So guys, let me show you how you can actually do that. So I'm gonna head on to that site. The name of the site is called Pico Workers. Pico Workers. Pico Workers has been a system even before Naira Workers. This is Pico Workers. So all you just need to do is do the job, do the small job, and you get paid for it. So I'm going to walk you through how you can sign up. So once you go to Pico Workers, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video. If you use that link, you are going to get at least $10 to $15 bonus just using the link in my description box. So now if you click on sign up, so after clicking on the link, it's going to take you to this place, and you click on sign up. Your rename, put your rename here. Let's say Shion, your email address. Although I have an account with them, so I don't think I'm gonna go at your nickname. Your nickname here. Your country here. I agree. Send me news. No, I don't want news. So you're gonna click on sign up, and that will be all, because I think they're gonna send you an email. So you're gonna verify your email, then that will be all. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do, so let me log into my own account while I show you the next thing you want to do. Okay guys, let me log into my account while I show you how to do that. The next thing I'm gonna do, so if I go to my account, so you can see now, right now these are the available job. Find job. You can see the job: Grammarly, sign up new user, desktop device only. You're gonna get 10 cents for that job. So these are the 23 cents. So you just look through it and see and start doing the job. It's very easy to do. Create YouTube, create an account. You create a YouTube account. I think they are done with this job. Done. This done means they finished. So you can try this one out. So I'm just gonna look for one that we can easily try out. Watch a video. Okay, let's do this. Watch the video. Alright, click on this one and say open a new tab. So you can open as many as possible in a new tab and start fulfilling it and start doing them. Sign up. Click here to sign up. Watch the video. Watch the video. Watch the video. Watch the video. Watch a video. Let me slow down a bit. There are a lot of job here because this is not Nigerian things. So there are a lot of job that you can do here. A lot like that. I don't even know. If you can do all of them, start doing them now. Okay, YouTube, watch, like, and watch, like. Okay, let's try this one. Watch and like. So now see Pakistani brown included country. Okay. Okay, what is expected from the worker? Go to youtube.com, search for this vlog, blah blah blah, 300 websites, blah, blah, blah. You have to choose the same preview image. This, so they give you an example of the video you're gonna click. So if you check here, you will see what the image look like. So that you won't say. So this is the video you're looking for. $300, blah 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 shop, fight shop. So that's the video you're looking for. Then watch video fully. It is very important. Just run the video and let it play to the end. Like the video, no any comments at all. Proof that you don't watch the video. Add screenshot link of the like and proof of what fully watched video. Then add screenshot of the like and proof of fully watched video. Type your proof here. So you type the proof here, then you upload the so let me quickly do that so you know that this is not a joke. So this is the YouTube that we're looking. This is the video that we're looking for. So if I go to YouTube, so go to YouTube. Different people with their different instruction. If you see my video on Naira Walker, I'm gonna drop the Naira Walker also in the description box of this video. How to use Naira Walker. If you see that one, you know it's the same thing with this one. So you can also sign up on Naira Walker and start making Naira. So you can make money in Naira and also make in dollar. So let's make the money. If you like this kind of video I'm making, please just like this video, let other people see this video. I don't want to be stingy with information, so please don't be stingy with information too. So this is the video we are looking for. We are going to click on this video and watch this video to the end. How many minutes is this video? Said I should like this video, so I've liked the video.
Set I want stand big IBTC.
So I'm gonna watch the video to the end also. Okay, I'm gonna watch the video to the end. Like he said, like the person said, I'm gonna watch the video to the end. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, if you have not subscribed, click the subscription bell, the button, and click the bell to say you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. All right, guys. So we're gonna watch this video to the end. How many minutes is this video? This is 9 up to 10 minutes. Don't think I can do that. I can watch that video to 10 minutes. Okay, no comment at all. That's what she said. No comment at all. So I'm gonna watch this video right now, and I don't want to do any skipping. I will make sure I watch it to the end and screenshot. We'll screenshot the video. I mean, that's what she requested for. Screenshot the video, and once the video has been screenshotted, I'll upload that screenshot. Okay, guys, so let me watch this video and come back. Okay, guys, I've watched the video to the end. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna screenshot this video. I'm gonna screenshot it, then send it to the owner. Screenshot the full. That's what she said. The full. So I'm gonna screenshot my full system. You see. So download. So I'm gonna do the screenshot. Now, one of the things you can use to screenshot is you search for a tool called snipping 2. See snipping 2. Search for snipping 2, like this. new. Then from here, you crop, you screenshot it. Then you save it by clicking this one, give it a name, and that will. But I've screenshot it already, so I don't want to do it again. So now I'm gonna go back to the job. So like the video, watch full video is very important. Just run it and play to the end. So type your proof here. I watch the video. Oh, that's how many minutes? For 9 minutes 52 seconds. I watched video for 9 minutes 52 seconds. Down below is a screenshot. And also I liked the video. Down below is the proof of my life and watched. So if you do this way, just write it, then click here to upload file. Select the file, open, submit proof. Great, task submitted. Go back. So I'm done with that. So the person have to what's it called, check it out and approve the job. So you can search for more jobs, more jobs. This is another wash. You can search for more jobs and do them survey, sign up for survey. I mean, this is good money making system you should indulge in. So guys, if you are new here, if you've not subscribed on this channel, click on the subscribe button and click the bell to know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. So the next video you're gonna see now is a video on Naira Worker I told you about. So watch that video and start making money through that platform. So if you want to sign up on this channel, on this website I just showed you, there's a link in the description section of this video. Through that link you're gonna get bonus of 20 to 50 ducks. So guys, check that out and start making money online. Bye bye.